Hi everyone, this is a short video to talk about reading a chart or a table. And to do this, we're going to use the Metro Transportation website and just look at a bus schedule. So I'm at the trip planner for kingcounty.gov, which is where we can find all the scheduling for Metro buses. And it also provides schedules for the Rapid Line buses and also for the light rail. We're going to use it just to look at a bus schedule. And I take the number 60. So I think I'm going to look at the bus number 60 schedule. So notice that the first buses are the rapid ride buses, and they're in alphabetical order, A, B, C, D. And then when we get to the numbered bus routes, notice that they are also in order, in numerical order, 1, 2. So I know that I can go pretty fast down to the number 60, and there it is. I'm going to click on the Westwood Village one and click Get a Schedule. Over here you can see that I could look at where the route goes, but I was going to say Get Schedule. When I look at this schedule, I can see a couple of things. One, I can see that the row across the top has all the different bus stops. Not every single bus stop, but it has the major bus stops. So the first one is stop 11191, which is 10th Avenue and East Mercer Street. And that's where the bus begins, and it's also where the bus ends, coming the opposite direction, but this is where the bus begins. And notice that the next stop, the one to the right, is 11070. That's the bus stop at Broadway and Pine. That's Seattle Central Community College. So that's my bus stop. I can also look at some other bus stops along the way. The next one is 9th Avenue in Jefferson Street. And then after that, it's 12th and Jackson. That's right in Chinatown, right in the heart of the International District at 12th and Jackson. The next stop is Beacon Avenue and Bayview, and I know that that is that's the light rail station, or it's close to the light rail station. It's not exactly the light rail station, but it's close. And then 15th in Nevada and 13th in Bailey. These are further stops that I could look at. So I can see that along the top are the bus stops. Now going down in the vertical direction, so the entire column says 60 Westwood Village, 60 Westwood Village. That's not going to change. But if I move over, I can see that the numbers are changing. So the bus leaves 10th Avenue and Mercer at 6:06 a.m., 6:36 a.m., 6:51 a.m., 7:11 a.m. I can go on down the line to see when does the next bus come. For me at Broadway and Pine, the first bus leaves Broadway and Pine at 6:10 a.m. in the morning. Right now, it's almost noon. And if I wanted to catch the next bus, I would have to scroll down somewhat, because right now I'm at 6:40 a.m. I can get further down. Then I can see that the bus leaves at 12:10. So I can catch the 12:10 bus. And if I want to go to the International District, if I want to go and stop and have lunch, say, for example, in Chinatown, if I took the 12:10 bus, then I could be in Chinatown by 12:24. If I didn't want to stop for lunch, I just wanted to keep going and maybe get off at the light rail station, maybe go shopping at Red Apple or whatever, or walk home from the light rail station. If I took the bus that left at 12:10 from Seattle Central, I would get to the light rail station at Beacon Avenue and Bayview at 12:31. I'm just going to read it all the way across, right? So I'm going to find my stop, and then I'm going to go down to find my time. And that's how I'm going to use this chart. I want to find the closest time that I have to my watch, for example, and then find my stop to determine when's the next bus, or what should I be aiming for. For example, I can see that the bus leaves at 12:10, 12:30, 12:50, 1:10, 1:30, 1:50, And if I leave Seattle Central at 1:30, I can get to the light rail station by 1:51 p.m. and then I can walk home from there.